Today is February 13th, and Josiah is eating some rice cereal and some mixed vegetables with carrots, green beans, peas, and water. And he doesn't want to eat any of it. He just wants to spit it all out down the front of his bib. Let's see him take a bite. Take a bite. Gonna swallow this one. No, don't spit it out. You gotta eat it. Swallow it. No, swallow. You need to swallow this. No, we don't spit it down the front of us. We swallow it. How about we try the orange stuff? Swallow. Once more. Yeah, that's what your whole meal has been. Not funny. Not funny. Not funny. You need to eat your food.